Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Now that hybrid working's here to stay, video calls are not going away. So maybe it's time to improve your setup, both in the office and at home. Don't worry, you don't need to spend thousands or have lots of new equipment. Here are 3 easy upgrades to improve your video call setup. First, start with a better webcam. The camera in your laptop's okay, but a separate camera should make you look better. Picture quality is about the number of pixels. The more, the better. Go for Full HD, which is 1080p, or, better still, a 4K camera. Next, think about your sound. It's the most overlooked part of most video calls. If you work somewhere noisy, a headset with a mic would be a great investment. For a quiet home office, get yourself a decent USB desk microphone. Finally, think about your lighting. Natural light is best if you can face a window. If not, consider buying a ring light so your face is always well lit, or even 2 LED lights to brighten the whole scene. Oh, and if you don't want too many new accessories, you can get a webcam with a built-in microphone and light. Everything in one gadget. That's your tech update. More next week.